Okay, I'm pretty much packed except for my house coat. So I'm done there. Put my house coat in there in a little while. Then I've got Mark's shirts all folded up. Okay, Mark's packing his own suitcase. I think he's got some of it done. And I folded all his shirts for him, so that's up to him. Now, do you have jeans in there, or you have yet to put jeans in?
Other side.
Okay, so
I've
you're...
got jeans and shorts,
So
pair
the
of
only
track
thing you
pants.
need to put in there again is your house coat?
It's not going in here.
Not going in that one? Okay. So we'll have to do a separate bag for our house
Yes,
coats.
don't
Mine will
worry.
fit in my case, so
What's that?
this time I didn't pack quite as much.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, razor are going in here, and that's
Okay.
it.
All right, and I have my small bag to pack as well for toiletries. So that's pretty much it.
Okay.
All right, well, we got a little bit of a late start this morning, and traffic is really heavy, and it's foggy. Apparently there was a bit of a thunderstorm early this morning, but luckily we missed that. So anyway, we're on our way to, is it Detroit, Mark?
Yeah.
We're going to go through Detroit to get down to Alabama, and we know that there are weather issues along the way. We're just going to keep our eyes open, ears peeled, and make sure that we stay safe. And yeah, always the worst of it is driving through our own local traffic. It seems to be the ugliest, always has been, always will be. So once we get an hour out of here, we should be more than fine. Okay, well, the fog has cleaned up nicely. We've got bright blue skies. We've been driving for just a little over 2 hours now. Probably what, another 2 hours before we hit Detroit, Mark? Or?
I hope not. Well, it's been almost 2.5.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
it should be there in an hour and a half.
That would be good. Then we'll see what happens when we get to the border. Okay. Okay, so we crossed at the Ambassador Bridge, and the border guard was more than polite. There was no drama. As a matter of fact, when I questioned him about the new rules, he said he doesn't know where I'm getting all my information, that nothing has actually changed. The only change was that there are tariffs now. Got across happily, no issues.